Hey, how's it going, folks? Patrick out at Flawless Construction putting in another commercial door today. We're going to just walk you through some simple steps that we've already gone through and show you a little bit what we do at Flawless Construction. You come over here. This here is a 12-foot by 12-foot door, 12 feet high, 12 feet wide. It requires some kind of lift or an extra person. I have my helper here with me today getting it knocked out. This here is a torsion tube from the old door here. We just took springs off of it here. If you want to come around here. Now these are the old springs. They should not look like this. I'm going to show you exactly what they should look like. Let me get a close-up of this spring here. Now if your spring looks like this, then you need to be calling Flawless Construction immediately, okay? Because this is a rusted out spring here. I'm going to take you around here. Now these are what the springs should look like, okay? So if they don't look like this, please give us a call. We're going to give you a great deal on garage door springs. Now this is the old door here. As you can see, it's a simple metal hollow back door. This is a big shop building we're in. We're putting in insulated doors. Let me get a quick view of this insulated. See, these doors here are filled with insulation. So throughout the winter months and the summer months, you're going to see a decrease in your electric bill, all because they're insulated. It's going to keep heat out and the cool in the summer, and during the winter, it's going to keep the cold out and the heat in. So this is a nice upgrade for this building here. Now we're going to come back over here to this door here. And as you can see, no insulation here. So that's the job we got today. So we're taking out these old metal doors that's letting all kind of air out of the shop, and we're putting in insulated doors. We get one more picture on the outside, and we're going to tune back in after the doors are done. Okay, so this is what it looks like here from the outside. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Flawless Construction, Patrick. Thank you for tuning in.